The solar system is the neighborhood in the space in which planet Earth exists. The only neighbor humans have visited is our closest neighbor, the moon. All the others we have seen only through space probes and have peeped at them through telescopes from right here on Earth. Let's hitch a ride on our own LIDO space probe to explore the planets in our solar system. Let's begin with the star of the solar system, the Sun. We know the Sun is the source of heat and light in our galaxy, and it is the closest thing to a sphere that is observed in nature. And in this sphere comprises 99.8% of the total mass of the entire solar system. All the other bodies in our solar system, planets, asteroids, comets, you name it, were part of the Sun and thrown out in the early stages of the formation of the solar system. Let's now travel to the planet that is closest to the Sun, Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system. Since it is the closest to the Sun, the temperature on it is very hot, and the only places you won't instantly burn up are the craters that have frozen ice, because these are in constant shadow. You would get to celebrate your birthday every 88 days, so that's pretty cool. Next up is the planet Venus. While the surface rotates slowly, the winds blow at hurricane force, sending clouds completely around the planet every 5 days. These winds carry the heat received from the Sun all over the planet. Hence, the surface of Venus at roughly 840 degrees Fahrenheit is the hottest place in the entire solar system, apart from the Sun, of course. It's even hotter than Mercury. The planet Venus appears in the eastern sky before sunrise or western sky after sunset, earning it the name evening star. Our next stop on the ride is our home planet, the Earth. The Earth is at the perfect distance from the Sun. Any closer and we would burn. Any further away and we would freeze like the planet up next. Life on Earth is sustained because of its moderate temperature, thanks to it being just at the right distance from the Sun. The next destination on this ride is Mars. Mars is the home to Olympus moons, the solar system's largest volcano, which towers some 16 miles above the Martian surface, which is 3 times taller than Mount Everest, in fact. It is known as the red planet because iron minerals in the Martian soil oxidize or rust, cause the soil and atmosphere to look red. Once upon a time, though, wind and water flowed across the red planet. But today, the only sign of water is under the surface of the planet, with no liquid water visible on the planet. That's all for this portion of the trip, fellow spacemen.